So now let's see how we can work with the align options inside of Google Slides. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go around and select some shapes. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and drag out this shape right here. I'm going to copy and paste this. I'm going to copy and paste this. So you can see that they are not evenly aligned. I can eyeball it to make it seem as if they are aligned, but they rarely will be perfectly aligned if you do that. So what you can do is you can save up some time by using the align option. So I'm going to select out all of these three shapes, and over here you'll be able to see arrange menu. And in the arrange menu, you can see that align is an option. So you can see that you have various options to align everything onto the top, onto the center, or bottom. So I'm just going to go around and then copy and paste this. Let's say I have 4 of these items right here. I'm going to select all of this, and then I'm going to go to arrange, and I'm going to go to align, and now I'm going to select top. So once I do that, what happens is that it takes the topmost shape as a reference point and then aligns everything to the top, as you can see. I'm just going to undo this out, and then I'm going to go into arrange again, and then let's go to align now, and now this time let's go to the bottom. Once you do that, you can see that the bottommost shape is taken as a reference point, and everything has been moved onto the bottom. Let me just press Ctrl Z to get back onto the previous state. I'm going to go to arrange, go to align, and let's go to middle. Now what happens is that it takes the top and bottom and averages it, and it aligns everything onto the center. So that's how you align in one way. Another thing that you can do is you can go around into arrange and then go to align and align everything onto the left, or you can go around and then you can align everything to the center and align everything onto the right as well, just like that, as you can see. If you were to go around and align everything onto the center, let's say for example, and go to align and center that out as well, you can see that every shape goes into the center, just like that. And that is how you can align out the shapes in different ways inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.